Ever received a tempting text like this?
If yes, then it's time to expose the reality. MLM is a pyramid scheme where individuals sell products and recruit others to join their network. By doing this, they not only earn commission from their sales, but also from the sales made by their recruits. But why is this illegal? Because the trainer will ask you to pay a certain amount of registration fees or to buy their expensive product to become a member. And this way they will make money off you and use the profit to give percentages to those above and below you. Sounds fishy, right? And this clearly involves gharar. And Prophet peace be upon him said, whoever deceives us is not one of us. Their targets are usually stay-at-home moms, college students, and unemployed graduates who are eager to make money from home. In fact, less than 1% of MLM participants actually make a profit. Therefore, such networking is not permissible unless it's purely based on legitimate business practices. Companies can never force you to buy products or invest before becoming a representative. Make informed choices, and the next time you receive a text like this, share this video.